Salient features of the Unmanned Aircraft System Rules 2021 by Deepak Miglani. The central government has notified the Unmanned Aircraft System Rules 2021. Unmanned aircraft is an aircraft which is intended to operate with no pilot on board. These rules, which has now come into force, will apply to unmanned aircraft system UAS registered in India wherever they may be, a person owning or possessing or engaged in exporting, importing, manufacturing, trading, leasing, operating, transferring or maintaining an unmanned aircraft system in India. All unmanned aircraft system for the time being in or over India. No prototype unmanned aircraft system shall be manufactured or imported without the prior permission of the Director General. A prototype unmanned aircraft system shall not be used for any purpose except for obtaining a certificate of manufacture and airworthiness for a particular type and class of unmanned aircraft. No unmanned aircraft system shall be used or operated or transferred to any other person in India unless it is registered with the Director General and it has a certificate of conformance issued either by an authorized importer or manufacturer. An authorized unmanned aircraft system importer or manufacturer shall make an application to the Director General in Form UA9 along with the fee as specified in Rule 65. The unique identification number shall be affixed on the unmanned aircraft in an identifiable and visible manner. The unmanned aircraft except the nano aircraft shall be equipped with an electronic identification based on its unique identification number. No person other than an authorized unmanned aircraft system importer or manufacturer or trader shall engage in buying or selling or leasing of an unmanned aircraft system or a part or a component thereof in India. No person shall engage in buying or selling or leasing or possessing an unmanned aircraft system which is not a registered unmanned aircraft system. No person other than an authorized unmanned aircraft system owner shall own an unmanned aircraft system in India. An individual seeking a student remote pilot license, aeroplane, rotorcraft, hybrid, shall make an application in Form UA14 to an authorized training organization along with the fee as specified in Rule 65. The Director General may authorize any training organization for issuance of student remote pilot license. The individual shall not be less than 18 years of age. The individual shall have passed class 10th or its equivalent examination from a recognized board. The individual shall pass a medical examination in the manner and procedure as specified by the Director General. To enroll a person for undergoing the remote pilot training, the training organization shall obtain a report of verification of character and antecedents of the trainee from the concerned government agency. Such verification report shall be submitted to the Director General at the time of submission of the application for issue of the license. The individual shall pass an oral examination as per the syllabus specified by the Director General. The student remote pilot license shall be granted by such authorized training organization on being satisfied with the requirements. The student remote pilot license shall be granted for specific category of unmanned aircraft system and specific class of unmanned aircraft. No student remote pilot license is required to operate a nano unmanned aircraft. The individual shall be in possession of student remote pilot license before commencing any flying training for the purpose of obtaining remote pilot license. The rules categorizes unmanned aircraft system into three: aeroplane, rotorcraft and hybrid unmanned aircraft system. They are also classified based upon the maximum all-up weight including its payload. The rules provide that a person shall be eligible for grant of authorization as importer, manufacturer, trader, owner or operator if, in case of an individual, he is a citizen of India, 18 years of age or more. In case of a company or a body corporate, provided that it is registered and has its principal place of business within India. The chairman and at least 2/3 of its directors are citizens of India. In case of a firm or an association of persons or body of individuals or a local authority or any legal entity has its principal place of business within India, whether incorporated or not, central government and state government or an agency thereof. The rules also define the role and responsibility of authorized unmanned aircraft system operator. An authorized unmanned aircraft system operator shall be responsible for performing the following functions, but not limited to: for safe operation of unmanned aircraft system, provide all essential instructions and guidance for use by its operations personnel for conduct of unmanned aircraft operations, ensure that the operations personnel are familiar with the laws, regulations and procedures pertinent to the performance of their duties prescribed for the areas to be traversed, the aerodromes to be used and air navigation facilities relating thereto, exercise operational control, ensure that the unmanned aircraft are operated by licensed pilots with requisite training and qualifications, ensure that unmanned aircraft are flown only in permissible geographical areas or permissible enclosed premises, ensure maintenance of unmanned aircraft system to keep them airworthy and in safe condition for operation, ensure that any radio operators forming a part of the unmanned aircraft system is operated only by the holder of a valid license for the operation of such radio operators, ensure the privacy of a person and his property during operation, maintain all prescribed manuals and records, bear the liability, if any, on account of any damage occurred to any person or property. The central government or any organization specifically authorized by the central government can establish an unmanned aircraft system traffic management in Indian airspace or any part thereof if warranted by the nature and requirements of unmanned aircraft system operation. Friends, if you want to read the complete rules, please feel free to contact us. If you feel that the information given in this video is useful for you, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.